Is localized server orchestration reporting the TDL Server Library DLL is missing? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. I've identified the library gap and have the professional fix ready. To kick off the manual repair for TDL Server Library, you can also find an official toolkit designed for system-level synchronization. This is the TDL Server Library, a specialized TDL service and server library, frequently associated with specialized networking background tasks, managing unmanaged communication data link manifests, and remote orchestration for modular software. Let's get to work. We'll start with the most common fix for this specific error. Because TDL Server Library DLL is a verified system file, we need to run an integrity check, open command prompt with administrative rights, and execute the sfc/scan now command to refresh your core Windows library automatically. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the TDL server library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Rebooting was just the start. Now, let's apply the core fix in this third step. Feel free to pause the video if you need a second to navigate. If those core system files are still missing after the restart, we'll use DISM to pull fresh copies from the cloud. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this triggers a deep cloud sync to replace corrupted local system manifests with verified master files directly from Microsoft servers. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. It is important to avoid manual installation of TDL Server Library DLL if you are not a technical expert. One wrong move in your system directory can prevent your computer from booting entirely and result in data loss. A professional diagnostic tool can be a valuable asset for those looking to maintain long-term system stability and file integrity. The link below references a primary diagnostic resource for reviewing TDL Server Library and system configuration. To ensure you always have a professional diagnostic path for TDL Server Library or system errors, hit the subscribe button and keep this channel in your toolkit.